So Chris has got pulled up everything that's can't be vacuumed. We've got it down here at the trailer. And while he was doing that, I was setting up our cool machine vacuums. We run 3 of these and we're ready in the trailer to fire all this up. And we run a 6-inch hose. We run 100 feet of 6-inch, and then we put a whip on that, 4-inch whip that'll be up in the attic. So here's the attic after after Chris has pulled out all the fiberglass blankets, and it is now ready for us to start vacuuming. Here's all the decking stacked up here. And then we've got a big pile of wood decking stacked up there. There's probably 2/3 of this attic had flooring and contents in it. All right, but we're gonna get all this vacuumed up and out. About to get started. With 3 vacuums, nothing will remain behind. 3 23 horsepower vacuums, nothing has a chance. It goes. It surrenders to the hose. We did it. Get my finger out of the way of the camera there. How you feeling over there, boss?
Great. All done.
And what time is it? About 11:30, you think? And we pulled up here about 10 after 7 this morning.
Yes, sir.
And tore it up. Well, the big dog over here with the geriatric partner. 63-year-old partner over here.
Works just as well as a 36-year-old partner.
Oh, I don't know about that. But we did it, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
We did
Knocked
it.
him out.
And we'll be back tomorrow. I guess probably you and Bo. Prep the attic, seal it, sanitize it, and blow it on out with cellulose.
Yes, sir.
All right, baby. Well, let's go sit in some Atlanta traffic. Did you say Chick-fil-A? Did I hear Chick-fil-A? Atlanta is home of Chick-fil-A. There must be about 99,000 of them.
Been every single one.
We go to every single one. And every single Quick Trip, right? Every morning is Quick Trip, and every day on the way home, you guys hit Chick-fil-A. Oh my gosh. Living the dream, baby. Owning your own company. All right, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Bob and
Chris.
The Bird Boys. Bye.